All right, so we are blessed with another nice 75-degree day here in the middle of October. It's about to be Halloween and all the leaves have fallen from the trees. But my bike was at like 50%, so I just plugged it in because I'm gonna want to ride today. But look at those handlebars. So Anna crashed her bike again while I was on vacation in Canada, and we need to assess the damage. So she completely bent that brake lever up in the air, and she completely bent the bars down on the right side, so the bars are junk. Not sure what else is wrecked. Throttle's taking quite a beating. Front brakes are pretty much smoked because she bent her disc rotor and that wore the pads out. And the stem is crooked again. So it looks like we just need to replace the bars and then just readjust everything. 451 miles. So she said she was trying to get up on a sidewalk curb and it was slightly elevated, and then her front tire slipped out and she didn't make it to the curb. So she's a very good rider, but she has trouble like taking weight off of her front end. Like, you know, when you have to like hop a log and you kind of like bunny hop yourself so the weight of your body is off the front end of the bike. She still needs to learn how to do that. So she probably kept the whole weight of her body on the front tire, and then she tried to turn up a curb that was elevated. So when the tire tried to roll to the higher surface, she lost traction while she was also steering to the right, and then the bike washed out on itself. Pretty common issue with riders that aren't fully experienced with weight shifting and things like that. So this is now the third dump of the bike, and it's always all been on the right side. So we're gonna try to swap it out. Luckily I have a extra set of bars because I did buy the riser bars for my bike. So I have the stock bars from my bike. I'm just gonna swap over to hers. So let's get that done now and see if we can get this thing back in action for her, because it's beautiful out and we're probably going to want to ride when she gets out of school. She also lost the bar end on the left side of the bike. So originally she lost the one on the right side when she first crashed it and dug the handlebar into the ground on the throttle side, but now we're missing the bar end on both sides. Jeez, that was a pain in the ass. Alright, that was the worst part, just getting the stupid grip off. I'm gonna play the throttle in about 1/8 of an inch off the bar, so if she does drop it again, it doesn't ruin the throttle. It's probably a smart idea since she's got a history of dropping this thing multiple times now. Alright, throttle is tight. I'm gonna get the brake levers just slightly tight, not completely, because I want to do a final adjustment once I'm sitting on the bike. Well, the fender is cracked. A big crack in the front fender, look at that. I think that's about straight. Let's see if I like the brake levers and the position they're in. She bent this brake lever up a little. It feels a little weird because it's slightly bent up. That one's fine. The headlight looks like it's a little bent too. There we go. It's straightened out. I think now we just need to repair the front fender because it has a big split in it. Doesn't have to be too precise because it's already broken. So you just want to drill a couple of holes, fasten it back together. I'm going to try to do one right there, and then one up top right here. And one more hole right over there. Perfect. So I can place it so the head of the zip tie is actually on the back side of the plastic, so it doesn't look as bad. That looks a little better. There we go. Perfect. Back to normal. At the through axle, she got it a little scraped up. Oh no, it doesn't seem too bad. All right, let's try taking it for a quick ride. See if the thing works. Looks a lot better.
Dust in my eye.
The guy was like putting all the leaves in the street from his yard. So what happened when you crashed your bike?
Not that bad.
Jeez.
Now my leggings are ripped.
Is your helmet scratched too?
I don't know, is it? I haven't seen it.
No, that's just dust.
Probably.
Carnage. So what is that, 3 times you've dropped it now?
2. 1, 2.
Yeah, and then the second one was in the school at the same place.
Oh yeah.
So it's 3.
Yeah.
We got the new bars on there. Seems to be doing good. The end. Say bye.
Bye.
You're the quickest dog in the West. You're the quick boy. Who my good boy? Who my quick boy? Who the slow poke? You're the big stalking slow poke. No bite. Oh, it's a good doggy.